This is a Daikin Air Purifier. In this video, we do the unboxing and the setup of this purifier. Let's unpack the box. First, there is a deodorizing filter packed in the plastic bag, and on it there are instructions on how to install the deodorizing filter. Then we get the operation manual booklet and then the remote control with the holder. Let's take the air purifier out of the box and unwrap it. Then peel off all the tapes. Also peel off the tape fixing the power supply cord to the bottom of the unit and draw out the power supply cord. The length of the power supply cord is 1.8 meters and it has 2-pin plug. Now unwrap the remote control and attach it to the main unit. Insert the hook of the holder in the remote controller holder into the notch in the back of the unit. Now remove the deodorizing filter unit from the main unit and remove the deodorizing filter from the back. Attach the deodorizing filter and check that the filter is set under the hooks. Below there is a HEPA filter. Pull the tag upward to remove it. Insert the deodorizing filter unit in the main unit. This air purifier has 3 pre-filters on the front, left and right sides. At the top front there are 2 buttons for operation. On the right side there is a on-off button. Press once to turn on the unit and press again to stop the operation. On left side there is a fan mode button to adjust the fan speed and to select the desired mode. We can also operate from the remote controller. In the next video I will show you all the modes and the functionality in the detail. That is all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel for more videos.